Hi everybody. This isn't a how-to video. It's a video about what I was able to determine was causing a loud clunking in the front end of my truck. This is a 2008 2500 HD with a Duramax engine. Every time I hit a small pothole or even the little breaks in the pavement that cross the highway, I'd get this terrible clunking in the front end. I checked all the ball joints, the tie rod ends, looked over the front shocks, couldn't find anything loose. I changed the torsion bar bushings, which didn't, they had a crack in, but they didn't really seem like there was any problem with them much. I changed the stabilizer link bushings, and then after I was putting it together, I just happened to grab the brake calipers and I was able to move it a little bit, and a little bit of clicking sound to it. And I thought, well, I don't know, whatever. I guess it's a long shot, but the pins and bushings for these are only like 20 bucks a pair. So I thought, well, I'll try that. Maybe when I hit a bump, those things are rattling. It didn't seem to me like that would be the solution, because this was a really loud clunk. So anyway, I replaced these, and these rubber bushings, they were in various stages of wear, and one was completely broken. Those go on these caliper pin bolts. And so I replaced those, took it for a drive, and my loud clunking is gone. So I've read a lot of posts online and forums, and that was one thing that I never found was a solution for anybody's clunking problem, but in my case it certainly was. So hopefully, if you're having that same problem, give your brake calipers a grab and see if you can move them a little bit. And I know it'll probably won't seem like it's much movement, but I guess when you're at highway speeds and those tires hit those little breaks in the pavement, I guess it creates enough of a jar that it makes that loud clunk. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope it helps.